My name's Casey George. I'm the owner of Auto Trim Design. Auto Trim Design is the Northwest's largest restyling company. We take care of all automotive accessory needs, everything from leather and window tint to blackout packages, hard parts like tonneau covers and running boards, overlanding equipment, and now we're doing performance parts as well in suspension, wheels and tires, cold air intakes, you name it, we can do it. Auto Trim's ideal customer is somebody who's passionate about their vehicle, who really wants to set themselves apart and not have the same vehicle as everybody else driving down the road, and wants to customize it in a way that is just unique. Auto Trim can provide sunroofs installation, sunroof repair, leather installation, blackout packages including paint and vinyl. We do rock chip protection. We're a full expel dealer. We do window tint as well. Any hard accessories from running boards to tonneau covers to wheels and tires and performance parts like cold air intakes and exhaust kits. We can do trailer towing packages. We do body repair, minor body repair. So if you don't want to take it to a body shop, we can do minor repair. We do electronics works, backup cameras, DVD players, navigation screens, audio equipment, upgraded stereos and speakers. We can do heated seats and cooled seats as well. Our most popular products and services as of late has become our expel services, so our rock chip protection and window tint. Our leather installation is extremely popular, and surprisingly, in the state of Washington, our sunroofs are really popular. We're the only sunroof installer in the area, so we have a lot of call for that, which is surprising in Washington, but here we are. And at Auto Trim, if you do leather seats and heated seats with us at the same time, we offer you a package pricing and you get an incredibly good deal. My mission as an owner of a restyler company is to set ourselves apart from every other restyling company in the area, in that, yes, we can certainly provide great service and quality parts and make your vehicle look unique and special, but we want to do it in a way that other people aren't and set ourselves apart. And the way that I think we can do that is to really put people first. Vehicle's important, that's great, but if we take care of you as a person and really step up our service to the next level and care about who you are and what you desire for your vehicle, I think that's really what we want to do to set ourselves apart and be around for years to come. What I love about Auto Trim Design's team is the fact that certainly they're knowledgeable, they do provide great customer service, but we've got so many guys that have just been around in this industry for so long. Honestly, some of them since before I was born. It's nice to have that old school expertise, that knowledge, but we have kind of paired that with modern technology and updated features, so it's not your grandpa's shop, but we have that feel to it. Just a great group of guys that are just incredibly excited about being your car guy and taking care of you for years to come. If you're ready to find out more about us, please visit us at www.autotrimseattle.com. And if you're ready to inquire about certain accessories, please call us at the shop at 425-277-9000.